morning, student. How are you? कसे आहात? In previous lecture, we studied the laws of motion. In that lesson, we see displacement, distance, what is speed, velocity. Then we see acceleration, uniform linear motion, non-uniform linear motion. Today we are going to study the equation of motions using the graphical method. Newton studied the motion of object, gave the set of three equation of motions. These are related to displacement, velocity, acceleration and time moving along a straight line. Today we see the same lesson, the laws of motion, equation of motions using graphical method. Newton studied the motion of object and set up the three equation of motion related to displacement, velocity, acceleration. न्यूटनने काय केला? अभ्यास केला कशाचा? ऑब्जेक्टचा, मूव्हिंग ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट and set up three equation. त्याने तीन इक्वेशन मांडले and that equation related to displacement, velocity and acceleration. What is displacement? विस्थापन, वेग, acceleration म्हणजे त्वरण. आता ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन मोशन अलॉंग अ स्ट्रेट लाईन. ऑब्जेक्ट काही गतिमान आहे स्ट्रेट लाईन मध्ये, त्याचा त्याने अभ्यास केला. Initial velocity, its initial velocity is denoted by small u and final velocity denoted by v. Acceleration is denoted by small a. आता he stated three equation. First equation, v is equal to u plus at. This is the first equation. This equation relation between velocity and time. Second equation, s is equal to ut plus 1/2 at square. This equation is relation between displacement and time. Third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2s. That equation is relation between displacement and velocity. These are the three equation of the Newton's. आता in this equation, initial velocity u. First draw the graph. This is y-axis. This is initial velocity. Here is final velocity. And on x-axis taken the time. आता in this equation describing the relation between velocity and time. Initial velocity object u. Initial velocity this u, that is OD. Final velocity of object v. Final velocity from here to here, that is OC. And time t. Time is OE. आता what is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity. The acceleration is equal to change in velocity upon time. That is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. That is equal to OC minus OD upon time. That is equal to A is equal to CD upon T. Therefore, CD is equal to 80. This is the first equation from the graph. V is equal to this. V is equal to what? CD. CD plus then OD. OC means CD plus OC. Therefore, first equation V is equal to U AT plus U. That is equal to V is equal to U plus AT. This is the first equation of the motion. By graphical method, you have to describe the equation of motion. First equation of motion is relation between the velocity and time. You have to find out the by graphical method. First you have to draw the graph. Then write down what is u. U is a initial velocity, v is a final velocity, and s is a S is the displacement. And then write down acceleration. Acceleration is change in velocity upon time. Final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. That is CD upon T. CD is equal to AT. This is the first. And we write down the equation of first. V is equal to AT plus U. Then V is equal to U plus AT. This is the equation of motion. First equation of motion, relation between velocity arm and time. You have to find out the two more equation. Second equation is describe the relation between displacement and time, and third equation describe the relation between the displacement and velocity. You have to find out that these two remaining equation that is given in textbook, that is relation between second equation, relation between displacement and time, third equation, displacement and velocity. In this way you have to find out the three equation of the motion by graphical method. Thank you.